So adding an About Us page is super easy to add. All we need to do here is click on Add Page. And then, create a title called About Us. That's really not very difficult. Now, the bit where you have to think about a little bit more, obviously, is the content. And that's going to depend very much on the sort of company that you are. If you're a big company and you're using Shopify for that, then you've probably already got some sort of About Us. You can just literally copy paste into this section and you're done. If you're just starting out, the advice I always give to people is to be honest about where you are with your whole project, with your whole business. A lot of people try to make themselves look bigger than they are. Might even post some sort of picture of a corporate headquarter type building or something. In my mind, it's not a very good way to go. People can very quickly tell that you're a one-man band or a two-man band or at least a very small business. And what I like to do, therefore, if you are in that boat, as a solopreneur, let's say, is to just tell your story. Tell your story about us. Tell them how you got here, why you're doing this, why you love the products you're selling, that kind of stuff. Use this opportunity to connect with the customer. It really goes a long way. It pays dividends in the long run. So there we go. I'm just going to type something very daft into here. In fact, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to build out a dog jewelry type business as we go along. If you've done any of my courses, you'll know that's pretty much the reoccurring theme, because it's something I did 2-3 years ago when that kind of stuff was big. And I like to use it for teaching because dog jewelry is something that everybody can grasp. So for the purpose of this course, I'm not going to bother filling in the content. This is just a bit of instructions, not a real live site. But obviously, you would need to do that. If it's your own site, then you're going to have to think about that. If you're doing it for somebody else, then you're going to have to chat with them and find out exactly what I want to write about there about us. So all I need to do now is save this. And again, if we want to view this, we can just click on that view eye there. Takes us up. And mine is, of course, blank, but hopefully yours has got some great text in there, maybe some images, and it's really starting to bring the site to life.